my mobile phone. Is it possible?
Yeah. For the spectators, the next instruction set is please remain on mute continuously. We will have a few audience rounds, then we will unmute you. As I can see, as of now, I see Mr. Vishwanath and a few others in unmute. Kindly mute yourself. Excepting for the players, we request the others to remain in mute. One, we lose the bandwidth. Two, the singers get disturbed. Right. So the attempt is being made for the very first time. This is a maiden attempt at doing it online. So if there are any errors from my side, kindly pardon me. We are here to have fun. As we can see, we have renamed your teams as the following. Team number 1, Mr. Ramesh Jagannathan. Is your name correctly put? Kindly confirm. Team
It is
number
Ramesh Jagannath only, not AN at the
Okay,
end.
doesn't matter. Your team number 1 for now. I think it's quite okay. Again, I'll go back. Uma Shankar, you can change his name to Jagannath. Team number 2, Ravindra H. Team number 3, Raghavendra Rao Deshpande. Team number 4, Mr. Vinay. Mr. K.P. Patnaik had given the entry, but he has withdrawn due to some unforeseen commitments. Number 5 is Deepali. Number 6 is Professor Ramesh H.S. Number 7 is Raghavendra Rao from ASTT. Number 8 is Ganapati Pai. And number 9 is Adil. And number 10 is Ramesh TD. I feel this is a very, very good participation for the very first time. My thanks and congratulations to all of you for becoming a part of this competition. It is just for fun. Remember the rules here, the song should be in Hindi. Somebody wanted Tamil and Telugu. We will do it from the next time. We are not able to do it from this time. And only from Bollywood movies. Remember, we don't want any album songs. We don't want any non-filmy ghazals, will not be permitted. The scores will be maintained and displayed live on the screen after every round. I will request Mr. Umar Shankar to show you the screen now as to how the score will be maintained. Kindly share your screen, Mr. Umar Shankar. Happens, take your time, no problem. Yeah, there comes the score. This is an automated score sheet with your team names here and with the round names here, and the totals have been done automatically. The ranking also will come automatically, so there will be no any mismanagement of the scores and adjustments. So you can for sure assure that it is there, and Mr. Umar Shankar, my brother, will be maintaining the score as we proceed with the game. So this score I will show you after every round. Is it okay? Shall we start now? Can you show me a thumbs up, whoever is there in the video? Participants? Yeah. Okay, Uma, can you stop your screen share now? And I will share my screen now. Yeah. So we now go to the presentation part. This Antakshari comprises of 4 rounds. The first round is a normal Antakshari round. The second round is a Shabd round or a word round. The third round is an audio round. And the last round is a video round. Hoping that this completes in 45 minutes. If we will run short of time, we will cut one round in each of the type, but we will not cut the round entirely. I promise you that. So we will start now with the Antakshari round. So in the Antakshari round, we will be going with team number 1 first, team number 2 next, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first, we'll start with, I will be giving you a cue song, and I will also be giving you the, Premi, you have to mute yourself, otherwise we hear the background noise. Please mute yourself, Premi. Okay. So when I say team number 1, I mean Ramesh Jagannath, and I will sing a song and pick the alphabet also and give. This is the very first time we are playing, so we are not letting you pick up the alphabet, we are helping you by giving you the alphabet. As we progress in the second round, probably I'll let you choose the alphabet to make it a little more spicy. Is it okay? So we will start with the Antakshari. The Antakshari round will begin like this. In every place you will have a stopwatch like this, which goes like this. Can you hear this out?
Yes.
Within this time, okay? So I will be giving you the first cue. The first cue is coming to for Mr. Ramesh Jagannathan, team number 1. Here is the song for the first person. This is again dedicated to all the COVID whom all you have lost. तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए, हम भरी दुनिया में तन्हा हो गए, तुम न जाने किस जहां में खो गए. Mr. Ramesh, your time starts now. Please start singing with Ya. खो गए या.
याद तेरी आएगी, मुझको बड़ा सताएगी, ये झूठ तेरी मेरी जान लेके जाएगी, याद तेरी आएगी.
Awesome. 10 marks to team number 1 and his dog loves him sing. You could hear it at the background. Awesome. आएगी गया या ई से team number 2 Ravindra H will sing now.
गोरी तेरा गाँव बड़ा प्यारा, मैं तो गया मारा, आंखें यहाँ रे, आंखें यहाँ रे.
Yeah, very good. 10 marks to team number 2. आके यहाँ रे, र से राघवेंद्र राव देशपांडे. Please unmute yourself and sing. Alt A is unmute. Unmute yourself, sir. When the previous person is singing, unmute yourself. Yeah. आके यहाँ रे, र से.
रिम झिम गिरे सावन, उलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगी आज इस मौसम में लगी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन.
Wonderful. 10 marks to team number 3. Team number 4, Vinay, please be ready with the akshar na. रिमझिम गिरे सावन ना.
नैनों में बदला छाए, बिजली सी चमके हाय, कैसे मैं बताऊं मन.
What do we do? The word is very incorrect. What do we do? The second right. My friends, what do we do? ऐसे में दिलों. हाँ, try again. नैनों बदला छाए. Sing, sing.
छाए,
जुरी
सी चमके
हाय,
हाय, कैसे मैं बताऊं मोहे बलमा से होंगे.
Because the first one we will give you 10 marks. For next time, if the second line is not right, we'll give you 5 marks. Umar Shankar, this time let's be generous. Give him 10 marks. Badra Chaye. Ya for Deepali. You can start your song with Ya and you can mute yourself, Mr. Vinay. Raghavendra Rao sir, mute yourself. Ya.
रहा है तेरा प्यार, कहाँ हम कहाँ तुम हुए गुम, अभी तुम अभी जाने के बाद हो याद आ रहा है तेरा प्यार.
Wonderful. 10 marks to Deepali. Team number 6, Professor Ramesh. प्यार र से गाइए. र सर.
या मैडम. रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, रूप तेरा मस्ताना.
Narasimha, please mute yourself.
दीवाना, भूल गए हमसे ना हो गए.
Okay, again little mix up of wordings, but we will give you 10 marks. This will be your first round and warm up round. So, Ya for Ganapati Pai, 10 marks to Mr. Ramesh. Who's that? Ravindra. Sorry, Ravindra. Aarti, Ya se. Ho jaye.
So he just sent he just left a message saying that he's going out.
Okay, we remove the team number 7, Uma Shankar. The word goes to, alphabet goes to Ganapati Pai. You can sing with Ya.
Yeah. याद तेरी आएगी, मुझको बड़ा सताएगी, दिए तेरी गाए, मुझे याद तेरी आएगी, याद तेरी आएगी, मुझको बड़ा सताएगी.
Okay. Yeah, Uma, can you help me by keeping a tab of the songs if they get repeated also? Or Rohini, can you help me with that? If you are there on the line? Yeah. So kindly look at the second line always. This being the warm-up round, you again get 10 marks. So theme number 9, आएगी, ग या ई से गाइए. ये गाना हुआ था क्या पहले? मुझे डाउट है, इसीलिए पूछा मैंने. आदिल जी, yeah, you had sung this. It is a repeat song. So Ganapati Pai, Uma Shankar, 0 marks. It's a repeat song from this round. You cannot sing the song that he said just now sang. Rajendra Rao sang the same song.
Should I sing a different one?
No, you don't get marks. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, Ganapati Pai gets 0. Don't repeat the song at least in the round. Okay. So now we will give you another song for Mr. Adil. And the song I'm giving you is रजनीगंधा फूल तुम्हारे महके यूं ही जीवन में, हाँ यूं ही महके प्रीत पिया की मेरे अनुरागी मन में. माँ से गाइए आदिल जी. अनम्यूट अनम्यूट अनम्यूट. ऑल्ट ए या माँ से.
सावन भागो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा, फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा.
Awesome, awesome. 10 marks. No extra marks for तबला. क्या करें, नहीं तो और 5 दे देते. नहीं मिला है ना. रमेश टीबी to start with सा, प्यासा सा. Ramesh TB, kindly sing with Sa. Where are you? Please sing. Your timing will start now. Are you not there in the meeting? Can somebody search for Ramesh TB? Is he there or not? Sing sir. आपको है ना, गाइए ना सर. हाँ, sing. Alt A करके आपको गाना सुनाई देगा. Unmute yourself, Mr. Ramesh TB. Number 10, Ramesh TB. Yeah, now sing, sir. No, you have again muted it. एक और बार फिर कीजिए. फिर म्यूट हो गए हैं आप. Unmute yourself, please. Alt A कीजिए, जनाब. Alt A कीजिए. We can't hear him. He is on mute. Somebody tell him again. Mr. Ramesh, can you press Alt and the A key? I can't hear you singing. I can't unmute you. You have, yeah, good. गाइए sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, गाइए sir. गाइए.
Can you?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. But
सा से गाइए. सा. SA सा.
Sa sugar. Sa.
या आदिल जी, आपके गाने का अक्षर.
सवेरे वाली गाड़ी से चले जाएंगे, सवेरे वाली गाड़ी से चले जाएंगे, कुछ देख जाएंगे, सवेरे वाली गाड़ी से चले जाएंगे.
ऑसम. बढ़िया. 10 मार्क मिलते हैं आपको. अब ये राउंड जो है, अगला राउंड है सेकंड राउंड. अंताक्षरी खेलना चाहिए. वार्म अप हो गए हैं अभी आप. Should we do it? Can you show me a thumbs up, Deepali? Should we do one more round of Antakshari? Yeah. But now the round will go from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scorer, please note. The song coming for Mr. Ramesh as of now, because he has unmuted himself, is अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम. आप फिर अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके माँ से गाइए. फिर से म्यूट हो गए हैं आप. रमेश जी अनम्यूट कीजिए. हाँ, माँ से. अरे 2 बार होता है. अनम्यूट कीजिए, अभी भी म्यूटेड है. प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ मिस्टर रमेश. नहीं सर, अनम्यूट नहीं हुआ. आप म्यूट मत कीजिए. आप इसे. अरे it's going off again every time. Deepali, can you assist him through your phone or whatever?
Shall I?
How do
the host can unmute him.
I can't unmute him. No, in Zoom you cannot. They have to unmute themselves.
You can send a message.
Message. I can only ask him to unmute. Uma Shankar, can you send a message to Mr. Ramesh to be unmute yourself? You're a co-host.
Anyway, I have sent in chat.
बताइए, Alt A बताइए. ठीक है, we will give him a chance later. Team number 9, आदिल जी आप गाइए, माँ से गाइए. आदिल जी unmute करके माँ से गाइए. और JV Patnaik was also entered.
Yeah, now he's unmuted, Ramesh sir.
आदिल सर वेट गाइए सर, रमेश सर माँ से गाइए.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can. गाइए आप. Please sing. We can't lose time. Again, he's gone to mute it. I think we'll give the chance to Adil and give him a number later. Mr. Adil, you can sing with Ma. Please unmute yourself. I request all the participants to remain unmuted. You remain unmuted otherwise. Yeah, गाइए. गाइए आदिल जी.
अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है, मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है.
काम है. गणपति पाई to sing with her. 10 marks to Adil.
हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना.
This is what happens with the band. It goes. चाहे दुनिया चाहे जलती रहे. हाँ. Okay. रहे हा से Professor Ramesh to sing. Please keep yourself unmuted. It's okay.
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा
बढ़िया.
वो गाना गाएगा. हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा वो गाना गाएगा.
आगे.
बस हो गया.
दीवाना सैकड़ों में पहचाना जाएगा. दीवाना. ठीक है, आगे जाते जाते और फिल्टर करेंगे. उमा 10 मार्क्स दे ही दो. दीवाना माँ से गाएंगी दीपाली. अनम्यूट. ऑल्ट ए. या
नैना बरसे रिम झिम पिया तोरे आवन की आस. नैना बरसे रिम झिम नैना बरसे.
या 10 मार्क्स टू दीपाली एंड सा फॉर विनय. सा से गाइए. जोर से गाइए.
क्यों पिघलने गया मैं ठहरा रहूं, जमी चलने लगी, धड़का ये दिल सांस थमने लगी. सजना क्या ये मेरा पहला प्यार है.
Yeah, very good. 10 marks to Vinay and her for Raghavendra Rao Deshpande ji. Her.
है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा. है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा.
आएगा. Yeah, it is Ravindra's turn. 10 marks to Raghavendra Rao, 10 marks and Ravindra to आएगा. गा.
फिर से गा. गजब का है दिन,
बढ़िया.
सोचो जरा,
ऐसा ही है. हाँ.
ये दीवानापन देखो जरा.
अकेले
रहा है
Okay, you get the benefit of doubt. We think the line is so bad, otherwise we would have caught you for the words. कसम से. से रमेश जगन्नाथ.
सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, जिंदगी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए, आशिकी के लिए.
Awesome. And I don't know whether Mr. TB Ramesh is there. I think we will not be able to give him a chance. Is it okay? Shall we move ahead? Right. So we will be now requesting Mr. Umashankar to display the score. The score after the first round, Mr. Umashankar. 2 rounds of Antakshari we have played.
Are you able to see?
Not yet. You haven't shared your screen.
Yes, yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. Coming.
Take your time, boss. No problem. हाँ. तो गणपति पाइक को 8 कैसे रैंक 8 है. हाँ. See, these are your marks and these are your ranks position. So whoever has got 20 is currently in position number 1, and because there are 6-7 ties, the next rank goes to 8th rank. That's how we have made the score sheet. Is it clear now? Yeah.
Yes.
So now we go. Thank you, Mr. Umashankar. I will share my screen. Can you hide your screen?
Yes. Yes. With a 0 is.
Yeah. So now we move to second round, which is called word round. The rules in this round will come along with the round itself, which will also be played for 2 rounds. This is a word round. The rules are each team will get a question turn by turn. By giving a word, we mean that word should come in the first line. It need not start with that word. If the first line of that word is there, it is enough. Also, I will be singing one trial round for you to understand what the round is. Correct answer will get you 10 marks. Wrong answer will get you 0 marks. But the catch is, if the answer is incorrect, question passes to the next team. If the next team sees the correct answer, they get 5 marks. One round will be played like we did just now from team 1 to team number 9, and second round will be played ulta, so that the pass benefit is there for all the players. Is it understood?
Yep.
Yeah. So we will now start. Mr. Ramesh TB has again joined. I hope I don't want to disappoint him. After all, this is not a very professional competition, so I would like to hear him also sing if he wants to sing. Uma, can you go in your screen and see Mr. Ramesh? Because you are also a co-host, you can see him.
Yeah, I am just searching for him only.
Yeah, no problem. And when his turn comes, we'll have to explain the rules to him again.
Yes,
So, okay. So we will continue with the round because again we'll run out of time otherwise. So the round will begin, and between every person there will be this light coming which says, are you ready? So you don't have to panic. You can keep your audio on the minute this light comes if it is your turn. Otherwise, what happens, some people's bandwidth is low, so their voice gets cut. People who are on your mobile, leave it as such. Don't have to unmute and mute. Mr. Professor Ramesh, you can keep it on, no problem. Yeah. So now we go with the first round, which is a trial round. The word, for example, for the trial round coming up is bachpan. The song has to have bachpan in the first line. For example, बचपन के दिन भी क्या दिन थे, उड़ते फिरते तितली बन के बचपन. Okay? Got the high. I want the players to show me a thumbs up to see that they have understood. Yeah. So now we will begin with team number 1, which is Mr. Ramesh Jagannath. Be ready for your word. When the screen comes, please unmute yourself. I can see you are ready. Here comes your first word. जवानी. आपका टाइम.
दीवानी है दीवानी, रुख मेरी रानी, रुख मेरी रानी, देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के, गिली गिली यक्का.
Yeah, I agree. We are giving a lot of concessions. We want you to enjoy it. We are not putting any strict rules here. Thank you. Congratulations. Good job. 10 marks to Mr. Ramesh for the word first round. Next one is coming to Uma. The scorer is, I think, hope he has noted.
Yes, noted.
My cursor has gone for a walk. Yeah, the second one is Ravindra. Be ready for your word. Dunya.
मैं दुनिया बुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में.
बढ़िया. I think that will do. We will stick to that because you're all from Karnataka. We may not be knowing the second line. We appreciate that you know the first line and you are doing a good job. So 10 marks to Mr. Ravindra. The next clue coming is Mr. Raghavendra Rao Deshpande. तैयार रहिएगा. आपका म्यूट में है, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. या राघवेंद्र राव साहब, आपका वर्ड है छोटा.
छोटी सी ये दुनिया चनाने की रात है, कमी तो न होगे, बड़ी तो न होगे.
क्या कहे? पहले तो आपने छोटा से छोटी कर दिया और उसके बाद गाना भी छोटा कर दिया. ये थोड़ा जमा नहीं, क्यों है ना? Can Rohini unmute and tell me, should I give him 5 marks? She is my expert for me. Should I give him 5 marks, Rohini? You can indicate. Yeah, 5 marks to Mr. Rajendra Rao because the actual song which he sang was from Choti. Nevertheless, the song was छोटी सी ये दुनिया पहचाने रास्ते हैं तुम, कहीं तो मिलोगे, कभी तो मिलोगे, तो पूछेंगे हाल. ठीक है? तो अच्छा, कभी कभी मुझे भी गाना पड़ता है ना, नहीं तो मेरे को मौका ही नहीं मिलेगा, तो उसीलिए मैंने भी घुसा दिया अपना गाना बीच में. ठीक है? अभी वी आर गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट पर्सन, इज विनय. बी रेडी विथ योर अनम्यूटेड. या योर वर्ड इज पिया. गाइए गाइए. Sorry, your time is up. It goes to Deepali as a pass round. Yeah, Deepali.
पिया तू अब तो आजा, शोला सा तन भर के आके बुझा जा.
Yeah, 5 marks to Deepali. Deepali, be ready for your normal round which is coming up. This was your bonus 5 marks. Your word for your own round is Chand.
चांद छुपा बादल में, शर्मा के मेरी जाना, सीने से लग जा तू, बल खा के मेरी जाना.
आपने बहुत बढ़िया गाया दीपाली. 10 मार्क मिलते हैं आपको इसके लिए. The next question is coming to Professor Ramesh. Please be ready with your mic. Yeah, you're already unmuted. Here is your word. प्यार. गाइए सर, प्यार से.
प्यार से.
प्यार आना चाहिए फर्स्ट लाइन में बस. गाड़ी बस निकल गई, आपने टिकट नहीं खरीदा.
ये प्यार का गीत है, इसको हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा.
Rohini, what do you say? 10 marks. Okay, we give the grace. We assume that the time lag is because of the internet and we will give him 10 marks. Zindagi प्यार का गीत है was a good correction only. So 10 marks for Professor Ramesh. We have to sing only before the timer goes off. Otherwise, your next team will lose 5 marks and they will start objecting from next time. Then I will not be answerable, sir. Okay. Yeah. Very good job. 10 marks for you. The next one coming from Mr. Ganapati Pai. Here is the word.
ये रात भीगी भीगी पानी है.
गाइए गाइए, आपका कनेक्शन बुरा है, कम से कम अल्फाज तो बोल दीजिए.
ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त निगाहें हैं.
क्या करें? फिर से 5 मार्क मिलेंगे.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई.
ठीक है. What Rohini, we give him 10 marks.
Yes.
ओके, चलो चलते हैं यार, खेल तो मजे के लिए रहे ना, कोई बात नहीं, कोई प्रोफेशनल तो सिंगर है नहीं, है ना. ठीक है, थैंक यू रोहिणी. या वी नाउ कम टू मिस्टर आदिल. आपका वर्ड है, हो गया आपका वर्ड. रुकिए रुकिए रुकिए.
धीरे धीरे प्यार को बढ़ाना है, हद से गुजर जाना है.
बढ़िया सर, आपने बहुत धीरे धीरे नहीं, जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ा दिया. स्कोर आपका बढ़ गया 10 मार्क से. ठीक है. आई वांट टू नो इफ मिस्टर रमेश टीबी इज देयर. सर आप हैं यहाँ पे तो हाँ बोलिए. He's not there, Uma?
नहीं
ठीक है.
not there.
Okay, then we have as of now only 8 teams. We can go with the next round. We will be starting with Adil again. We will go in the reverse direction, team number 9 and backwards. Okay, Mr. Adil, be ready for your second round. गाइए.
महबूबा 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 गुलशन में फूल खिलते हैं, अब चेहरा में मिलते हैं मैं और तू.
बढ़िया, आपको मिला, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. बीट कम से कम सुन सके हम लोग. 10 मार्क मिल गए आदिल जी को. और अब बारी है गणपति पाई जी आपकी. रेडी विथ योर सेकेंड वर्ड. सावन. गाइए.
आज सावन की रानी लगी है.
मैं आपके लिए टाइम चलाती हूँ. इसके खत्म होने से पहले एक और गाना सुनिए, बाद में नहीं देंगे टाइम. Rohini, it's up to you again. How many marks? All take. I can hear you.
लगी आज सावन की.
रोहिणी जी आप म्यूट पे हैं, अनम्यूट कीजिए. क्या करें? How many marks should I give it? You could hear it.
पता नहीं.
उमाशंकर आप बताइए कितने दे? 10 की.
नहीं सुनाई नहीं दिया हमको भी पूरी तरह से.
लगी आज. हाँ गाइए.
लगी आज सावन की झाड़ी है.
शायद मार्क्स नहीं देंगे हम. थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाएंगे यहाँ से, नहीं तो अपने को 1 2 3 निकलेगा ही नहीं. गणपति भाई जी माफ करना. होप एंजॉय करेंगे आप और हमें बुरा नहीं मानिएगा.
नहीं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. तो 0 marks फॉर गणपति पाई फॉर वर्ड राउंड सेकेंड वन. We now go to Mr. Ramesh, Professor Ramesh HS. Be ready. बदन.
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ये जाने चमन किधर जा रहे हो, हरा पास आओ
चला जाए. बढ़िया. 10 marks दिया बिल्कुल. बहुत जेनरस हो गए हम. अब दीपाली आपकी बारी. खुशी.
इतनी सी खुशी, इतनी सी हंसी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी,
परफेक्ट है. चांद का ख्वाब
के तिनको से चल बनाए आशिया.
Very nice song from the movie Barfi. 10 marks to Deepali. We now, yeah, that's good. We now come to Mr. Vinay. Your word coming up is, oh, there's one more person who's come. Bath. Bath. The pass round goes to Rajendra Rao Deshpande this side.
बोनस लेगा.
बात से आता है आपको गाना? नहीं आता. ऑल टेक करिए. और नहीं आता सर?
नहीं, I am not taking it.
Okay.
I'll take my round.
No, wait 1 minute. It goes to team number 2. Ravindra, you want to try? Bath. Unmute yourself. All players.
Yeah.
Bath. Team number 1. Ramesh Jagannath. Bath.
जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती,
बड़ी लंबी रात है. बढ़िया. उमाशंकर 5 मार्क जाते हैं टीम नंबर 1 रमेश जगन्नाथ को. एक्स्ट्रा बोनस मार्क्स हैं ये. Please mute yourself, Mr. Ramachandra Krishnaswamy. You are unmuted. We can hear your background voice. Uma, you can mute him. You can mute him. Yeah, mute him. Please mute yourself, Mr. Ramachandra Krishna Swami. Right.
There is some this one going on. Antakshari in.
Please mute yourself, sir. Saviano Morris. Please mute yourself. We can hear you. The players will get disturbed. Yeah, sir. Word coming up from Mr. Deshpande. Ready, sir?
Yeah.
धीरे से आएगा. शराबी.
झूम बराबर झूम शराबी, झूम बराबर झूम, झूम बराबर झूम शराबी, झूम बराबर झूम.
क्या करे? बढ़िया हो गया, 10 मार्क मिल गए. वो लाइन नहीं जाते तो नहीं देती है. काली घटा है, मस्त फिजा है. ठीक है, चलिए 10 मार्क दिए राघवेंद्र राव देशपांडे जी को. 10 मार्क्स. या नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू रविंद्र बीरेडी. आएगा, नीचे से आएगा वो धीरे से. रोशनी, आपके सनशाइन का गाना है, गाइए. रमेश जगन्नाथ, कैन यू सिंग विथ रोशनी? रमेश, यू कैन से यस और नो?
No, I can't.
ओके. आदिल जी रमेश गाएंगे रोशनी से? नहीं. गणपति पाई, गणपति पाई विथ रोशनी?
No, no, madam.
प्रोफेसर रमेश विथ रोशनी?
नो मैडम.
दीपाली, लॉटरी हो गई है तुम्हारी. ऑल पे करो, रोशनी से गाओ.
रोशन इज ओके. रोशन
नहीं, रोशन नहीं, रोशनी. रोशन तो क्या है ना, रोहिणी जी रोशन दे क्या उमाशंकर? नहीं ना, रोशनी ही देना पड़ेगा. रोशनी ही देना पड़ेगा. अरे यार, ठीक है. पास.
मैं
रुक जा भावना, रुक जा, तेरी बारी आ रही है, रुक जा. विनय, आई एबल टू सिंग विथ रोशनी? राघवेंद्र राव देशपांडे, बोलो. चांस.
Nobody is able to sing. You get
Yeah, Bhavna is singing. Bhavna is singing as a spectator. Come on, Bhavna, it's your turn. Sing, sing, sing.
रोशनी से
भरे भरे
नैना तेरे
छू के बोले न
छूना मुझे.
बढ़िया, अपना चेहरा दिखा दो, खुश हो जाएंगे. बढ़िया बढ़िया. ऑडियंस भी एक मार्क्स लेके गया, इसमें किसी को नहीं मिला. तो अब बारी है.
Did the song come before we were born?
This is Ashoka from Points movie.
No, sir.
This is from the movie Ashoka. That's why I said Ravindra should be able to get it. He did not get it. Ramesh Jagannath, it's your turn now. Uma, nobody gets a mark for that round. Word. Yeah, Ramesh Jagannath sir, आपका सॉन्ग है, बोल.
बोल तो मीठी बोल सोनिए, अनमोल सोनिए.
कौन सा गाना है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. कोई समझाएगा मुझे क्या गाना है? एल्बम का है कि पिक्चर का है?
No, सनी डियोल्स.
सोनी महवाल.
सोनी महवाल का.
ठीक है, गाना ठीक है. फिर दीपाली आप बताइए हमें.
एक ही लाइन गाया, लेकिन
एक ही लाइन गाया है, तो क्या करें रोहिणी जी? एक लाइन गाया है, 5 मार्क दें? 5 मार्क ऐसे दिखा दीजिए, हम कर देंगे बस. 5 मार्क. उमा शंकर,
बोल राधा बोल संगम.
आपकी बस निकल के चली गई सर, अगले स्टेशन पे पहुंच गई. मार्क मिल गए आपके. सॉरी, मुझे बुरा मत मानना. ठीक है, तो अब चलते हैं. 2 राउंड खत्म हुए थे. मिस्टर टीवी रमेश इज जस्ट नाउ जॉइन्ड अगेन. सो आर यू विलिंग टू सिंग एनीथिंग और शैल वी प्रोसीड? आई थिंक विल प्रोसीड. यू हैव मिस्ड 2 राउंड्स, isn't it? So we are now coming to see the score sheet after the word round. Over to Mr. Uma Shankar. I'm thinking Dipali is going to be in the lead. Yes, I'm right. 45 points. Dipali on rank number 1. There are 3 rank number 2s with 40. Team number 1, team number 6, and team number 9. Right? So we move to the next round. Thank you, Mr. Uma Shankar, for the score sheet. I request you to stop sharing and we will go further. We now come to the next round, which is going to be the audio round. चौकन्ना रहिएगा. This also we are playing. If we play real time, we have buzzers with us, which we do after us. We do round. Each team will get one question turn by turn. Correct answer gets 10 marks. Wrong answer gets 0 marks. Audience, note, if answer is incorrect, question passes to the audience. It does not pass to the other team member. थोड़ा उनको भी तो मजा मिलना चाहिए ना, इतने सारे लोग बैठे हैं, 32 लोग बैठे हैं मीटिंग में, उनको भी थोड़ा मजा देंगे. One clockwise round team 1 to team 10 and one anti-clockwise 10 to team 1. What is going to happen? Now you will see what is going to happen. I'll show you one which is a trial round. ऐसे म्यूजिक बजेगा, मैं इसका वॉल्यूम और भी बड़ा कर देती हूँ ताकि आपको सुने. आप अपने पास जो आपका हेडफोन है उसमें वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल कीजिए अगर बढ़ जाता है तो, नहीं तो यू कैन इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज. वी विल पुट ओनली द प्रीलूड म्यूजिक and you have to recognize what song it is. After the song plays for 30 seconds, yourself.
हर घड़ी बदल रही.
Nitin, please mute yourself. Nitin, yeah, please, yeah, that is the right song. You have to recognize. I request Mr. Ramachandran Krishnaswamy also to mute yourself, sir. It's disturbing. Please mute yourself. Alt and A. He's laughing, but he's not doing his cleaning vegetables or something. Come on, guys, give a big round of applause for Mr. Ramachandran Krishnaswamy. अरे अपना मोबाइल ऑफ कीजिए सर. Please mute yourself. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Right? So the round will start from team number 1. Team number 1 is Mr. Ramesh Jagannath. आप तैयार रहिए. Yeah, your song will come now.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान. माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान.
गाना पहचाना तो गाइएगा.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये माथे के बिंदिया,
ये मेरा इंडिया,
ये मेरा इंडिया.
10 marks to Mr. रमेश जगन्नाथन. ऑडियंस आपका था, आपकी गाड़ी निकल गई. देखते हैं अगली बार क्या होता है. Second team, Ravindra, be ready for your song. Ravindra, unmute yourself. You're on mute.
I'm not getting it. It's there.
Yes. Not Bhavna. Anybody else?
Mamta.
Mamta. Go on, Mamta. What's the song? Mamta.
Bhavna, तू भी चलो शुरू करो. धूम धूम पर. What is that?
धूम मचा ले.
हाँ, धूम मचा ले, धूम मचा ले, धूम मचा ले, धूम मचा ले,
Oh my God, simple.
बढ़िया. अपने आप को इश्क इश्क करना है कर ले, इश्क इश्क में झूले भर ले, इश्क इश्क है सबसे प्यारा, धूम मचा ले, धूम मचा ले, धूम. It was a very easy song for you. You missed your verse. 0 marks for Ravindra and 1 chocolate for Bhavna and Mamta. In the real time, I would have given that.
Thank you.
We now go to Raghavendra Rao Deshpande. Ready, Mr. Deshpande? Your song is coming now.
खुशियों की मंजिल ढूंढी तो गम की गर्द मिली.
आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है.
जाने वो कैसे लोग से दिन के प्यार तो प्यार मिला.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. 10 मार्क्स फॉर मिस्टर देशपांडे. उमा शंकर मार्क्स डाल दीजिएगा. अब बारी है विनय की. रेडी शुभू, एज दे कॉल यू. Here comes your song. Yeah, your time starts now. Are you ready, sing?
अखियां मिलाए तुझे अखियां मिलाए कैसे है जादू।
उमा शंकर, क्योंकि ये कर्नाटका है, नॉन हिंदी, तो दे देते हैं। गाना पहचाना, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। अखियां मिलाओ कभी अखियां चुराओ क्या,
कभी
तूने किया जादू, कभी बोली लाओ कभी गले से लगाओ क्या, कभी कभी लाओ कभी
उस
पे नहीं काबू,
खुद पे क्या
जो पे नहीं काबू,
काबू
बिना
बिना
पायल
पायल बजे घुंघरू।
बढ़िया। ठीक है, तो उमाशंकर 10 मार्क दीजिएगा विनय को, काटिए मत। गाना पहचाना, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। ऑडियो राउंड में इतना ही चाहिए हमको। दीपाली, ऑडियंस प्लीज बताना मत।
जाने क्यों लोग मोहब्बत किया करते।
कौन सा गाना था रोहिणी? मिलती है
जिंदगी में ऐसे कोई
मोहब्बत
कभी
कभी
फिल्म आंखें।
Rohini, you can really sing if you don't mind. She's a professional singer. मिलती है जिंदगी में। जोर से गाइए, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। We can't hear you, Rohini. We can't hear you. Sing. ಜೋರ ಹಾಡು, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ, we can't hear you. Right, next one coming for who? Professor H.S. Ramesh. 0 marks to Dipali. Ready, Mr. Ramesh?
Oh, so easy.
Yeah, your time starts now.
कोई धड़के ओ सावन तेरा निगाहे,
सावन जो अगन लगाए
उसे कौन बचाए, उसे कौन बचाए।
10 marks to Mr. Professor Ramesh. Ganapati Pai, it's your turn. Ready, Mr. Pai? The timer has started. Audience, anybody else from Bhavna? I don't want Bhavna. Anybody else? Let's give a chance to some more person. Any new person? Nobody? Then Bhavna, it's over to you. Or Deepali, you can also sing. You didn't get?
नगाड़ा नगाड़ा नग
आवी लुट गया।
क्या है? अखा दे कटोरे, सूरमा बटोरे, लग दे छिचोरे बड़े हाय फाय, है ना? मैं तो आवी लुट गया, मैं तो आवी लुट गया। सॉरी, थोड़ा टफ था पर फिर भी चलेगा। अभी आगे रेडी रहिए के साथ आपका गाना है। आदिल जी
जी
बोलिए।
एक परदेसी मेरा दिल ले गया, जाते जाते मीठा मीठा ले गया।
ऑडियंस
आगा
मुझे मालूम था कोई नहीं बोलेगा। उमाशंकर आपको मालूम है, भाभी को मालूम है?
नहीं, वो फिर से सुनना पड़ेगा।
मैंने आंसर वही रखा था, मुझे मालूम था कि आप नहीं बता पाएंगे, तो कम से कम मैं ना गाऊं और आपको ओरिजिनल सुना दूं। अच्छा था ना, करेक्ट गाना था ना, पकड़े गए ना? ठीक है, तो 0 मार्क्स। अभी आदिल जी आपकी बारी, फिर से उल्टा चक्कर चलेगा। 9 रेडी रहिएगा।
जिंदगी के हर नाटक में एक होता है नायक और एक होता है खलनायक।
गाइए।
नायक नहीं खलनायक हूँ मैं, सबसे
जुल्मी बड़ा दुखदायक हूँ मैं।
है प्यार क्या मुझको क्या खबर, मैं तो बस
है प्यार नफरत के लायक हूँ मैं।
दे दिया जाए, है ना? पूरा अच्छा गा देते और भी मजा ले लेते हम लोग। 10 मार्क मिल रहे हैं। चलिए ऐश कीजिएगा। अभी गणपति पाई रेडी। आई होप यू गेट अ इजी राउंड। गाइए सर, इतना तो बहुत ही काफी था। तो रोहिणी को गाना ही पड़ेगा। माइक रोहिणी ಇಲ್ಲ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು, ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಹಾಡು. ಭಾವನಾ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಮೈಕ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಡ್ಬಿಡು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಡು. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಡು, ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡು. I want them to listen to your song, how impressed I am with your singing. Yeah, sing now. Unfortunately, आपके नसीब में नहीं लिखा रोहिणी का गाना सुनने का। भावना आप ही गा लो। गाना था
पियू पियू बोले कोयलिया,
कुहू कुहू बोले कोयलिया, कुंज कुंज में मोर डोले, घूंघट खोले। काफी कॉमन गाना है गणपति जी, आप पकड़ सकते थे। आपने हार पहले ही मान ली थी गाने के आने से पहले ही। दैट इज नॉट द एटीट्यूड माय फ्रेंड, यू गॉट टू फाइट टिल द एंड। पकड़ लेना था गाना आपको।
You were not born by, don't worry.
It doesn't make a difference, sir. Sorry, I'm sorry. The tough song.
No, I've heard the song, but yeah.
You didn't get it.
Kind of it, yeah.
Right. Professor Ramesh, it's your turn.
Yes, madam.
Mic on. Yeah, no, Ravindra will sing this. Ravindra sing. Unmute yourself and sing, Ravindra.
Can I sing?
Yeah, sing.
हो रे मन में तू तो भाव रहा,
Because let's sing, hear him sing.
तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, भाव रे यूं दिखाओ
सपने सोते जा
जागते के बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद
नैनों को मूंदे मूंदे। बढ़िया।
I used to sing this song to make my son sleep.
Oh, See, it comes in useful sometime. Yeah, so it is over to 0 marks to Professor Ramesh and we are on to again to Deepali. आपका गाना आ रहा है यहाँ पे, गाइएगा. Please, somebody's mic is on. Gayatri, you have to put yourself on mute. Gayatri, too much of noise from your house.
ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त फिजाएं उधा धीरे धीरे वो चांद प्यारा प्यारा
Even Deepali was not
आग से
anything.
लगा के
Gooms, even you were not born in this song.
चांदनी
सोने भी नहीं
नहीं देता
मौसम का.
ये इशारा.
Perfect, perfect. 10 marks Umar Shankar for Deepali. We now go to Vinay. तैयारी दीदा. ನೀವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಹಾಡು ಬಹಳ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೋಡಿರೋಣ. Yes. Who got the song? Anybody? I know you got it. Yeah, come on, sing it. What can you do? Sing it, sing it.
ये सूरत दिल
के खोटे नाम बड़े और दर्शन छोटे, दर्शन छोटे. नो प्रॉब्लम होता है. वीडियो राउंड में लोगों को आपके लिए गाने आएंगे. 0 मार्क्स पर विनय. राजेंद्र राव देशपांडे जी अनम्यूट कीजिए. किसी ने पकड़ा? आपने पकड़ा? किसी और ने पकड़ा? फिर दीपाली नहीं पकड़ा. कहाँ पे?
Yes, I can sing this.
Yeah, sing it, sir.
Deepali, you also can join.
Yeah, sing, sir.
देख के
अखियाँ मिच मिच दे
पानी. No, sing, sorry.
आया मेरा माहिया न आया, रांझना न आया मेरा रांझना न आया, रांझना न आया मेरा रांझना न आया.
Awesome. 0 marks for Mr. Deshpande and then chocolate again for Deepali. So we now go to Mr. Ravindra. Oh, my cursor has gone for a walk again. Yeah, Ravindra, ready? No singing. I can hear a female voice. Yeah, Ravindra.
I think it's Kareena Kapoor.
I can sing.
Who's singing?
I can sing.
All of you can sing.
जिंदगी में तुम हार बनके
मेरे दिल में यूं ही
रहना,
मेरे दिल में यूं
रहना, बस प्यार प्यार बनके.
Sorry, Ravindra. Miss missed your bus again.
Karina, 5 marks for Karina.
Karishma, she is.
Karishma, it's not Karishma. Karishma and Amir Khan.
Karishma, sorry.
And Amir Khan, Raja Hindustani is the movie. Yeah, Ramesh Jagannathan, ready?
Yep.
Yeah, last song of the audio round.
अरे भंग का रंग
Start the song correctly. Start the song correctly.
ओ कई के पान बड़ा रस वाले, कई के पान बड़ा रस वाले, कई के
कितना 5 मिनट इतना फेमस सॉन्ग नहीं गाया तो अमिताभ बच्चन की बेचारी तौहीन हो गई। अमिताभ बच्चन सर की तौहीन हो गई। इतने सारे लोग गाएंगे इसे। रविंद्र जी गाइए आप पूरा गाना। आप सिर्फ 5 मार्क दीजिए उमा शंकर रमेश जी को। इतना फेमस गाना नहीं गाया। रविंद्र जी ओवर टू यू।
पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद के अकल का ताला,
ऐसा करे
सबकी चाल और छोरा
किनारे वाला, छोरा किनारे वाला।
With that, we come to the end of audio round. I'll ask Mr. Umar Shankar to share the screen. Mr. Masand, are you there in the meeting? Why aren't you singing any songs? Yeah, rank number 1 is now being shared by Deepali and Ramesh Jagannath. Awesome. Team number 2, rank number 2 is not there. Rank number 3 is Professor H.S. Ramesh and Adil. And henceforth the remaining, you can see your marks, and after you see your marks you can tell me and we will stop sharing the screen. Is it okay? Shall we stop now? Shankarappa sir is joining now. Okay. Umar Shankar, we can stop the screen share. Thank you for keeping the score for us. We now come to the final round, which is the video round, and I enjoy it. I request the spectators to mute yourself because it's very dicey. You get tempted to sing the song the minute you see the scene. Thank you for cooperating for so long. Again, each team will get one question turn by turn. Correct answer 10 marks, wrong answer 0 marks. If answer is incorrect, question passes to audience. Only one round from team number 10 to team number 1 this time. It is 8:10. We should close by 8:15 hopefully. Let's see. We'll start the round from team number 10. Scorer, please be ready. The first attempt will go to Mr. Adil. रमेश टीवी सर, आप हैं क्या? आप खेलेंगे क्या? आपका माइक अनम्यूट करके बताइए, नहीं तो हम खेल रहे हैं। I don't think you'll be able to unmute. Yeah, sir, आप खेलेंगे क्या? फिर से म्यूट हो गया उनका। Mr. Adil, please be ready for your video song. I am showing you one trial round. The trial round, the video will appear like this. It is muted video. You have to recognize the song and sing the song, and the timer will run like this. With that, you have to sing the song. And I suppose you can recognize the song. This song is?
जरा सा झूम लो में, जरा सा।
Perfect. That is the song. कम से कम 2004 वर्ड तो ठीक से बता देना यार, ऐसा नहीं है कि गुनगुना के छोड़ देना। जरा सा झूम लो मैं, अरे ना रे ना रे ना, ठीक है ना? इतना तो बताइए, ठीक है? Now we are starting with Mr. Adil. आपका पहला गाना आ रहा है अभी। आदिल जी कहाँ पे है आप? रेडी, ठीक है। और इसमें आंसर भी यहाँ पे है, तो जब चाहिए तब मैं दिखा सकती हूँ। तो आपका गाना है पहला वाला ये। Sure, no singing please. आपका टाइमर स्टार्ट होता है।
जाने जा मेरा ये हुस्न जवां जवा जवा तेरे लिए है आंख लगाए ओ जालिम आ जाना।
Wonderful, wonderful. Here is the original song. Perfect, perfect. You get 10 marks. अच्छी शुरुआत की है वीडियो राउंड की। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट पर्सन इज गणपति पाई। सर रेडी? Others, please don't tell the answer. Your timer starts now.
मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है, मेरे अंगने में।
बढ़िया।
जिसके भी
बढ़िया। 10 मार्क्स उमा शंकर गणपति पाई जी को दीजिएगा। अब तक बेचारे घाटे में रहे थे, अब मेकअप कर रहे हैं।
थैंक यू मैडम।
टीम नंबर 6 रमेश जी रेडी?
यस मैडम।
या आपका टाइमर स्टार्ट हो गया। गाना नहीं मालूम? कौन गाना चाहेगा ऑडियंस से? या गाइए गणपति पाई जी। अरे आप गा रहे हैं तो हमें बहुत खुशी है। अनम्यूट कीजिए, गाइएगा।
आई एम नॉट श्योर बट पायली झुनझुन झुनझुन
बढ़िया। नायक वाज द नेम ऑफ द मूवी। कोई थोड़ा गड़बड़ में था शायद रमेश जी, है ना? नायक था नेम ऑफ द मूवी, राइट। सो नाउ वी कम टू दीपाली, आपका गाना। आसान गाना आ गया।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
इसी को कहते हैं लक। अगर ये ऑसम ऑसम ऑसम। अगर ये ऐसा नहीं वैसा चलता तो गणपति पाई जी को मिल गया होता, आपको मिस हो गया होता। ठीक है ना? तो ओके, शी गेट्स 10 मार्क्स, दीपाली गेट्स 10 मार्क्स। नाउ ओवर टू विनय। रेडी विनय जी? ಯಾವ ಟೈಮರ್ ಹಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಯಾ ಹೂ ಸರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಜಿ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೂ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್
Ravi, I can sing.
Ravi, Ravindra.
We both can sing, Ramesh.
Sing. Criminal.
और जीने को क्या चाहिए, तू दास मेरे पास
बढ़िया
तुझे में पाया तू मिले दिल तुम्हें और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। स्कोरर जी विनय को 0 मार्क्स, ऑडियंस को पूरे चॉकलेट वाले 5 स्टार। और अब है राघवेंद्र राव देशपांडे जी की। अरे अच्छा गाना मिल गया।
Oh my goodness.
गाइए जी।
मेरा नाम चिन 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 मेरा चिन 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 गीत गाते हैं
रात चांदनी में
रात चांदनी में
How do you
हेलो
do?
मिस्टर, हाउ डू यू डू?
बढ़िया, मैंने बोला ना लक की बात होती है जब बैठते होता है 1 2 3 पे. भावना, thank you so much for singing, and Uma Shankar 10 marks for Mr. Raghavendra Rao Deshpande. Lucky that a song of that era came, he could recognize easily. Yeah, now it is Ravindra's turn. Ready, Ravindra ji? Hope you get a new song.
Oh my goodness.
Shh, nobody is going to tell the answer, please.
No.
Shh, no, please. Ramesh sir, hum nahi karna aapko. Professor Ramesh, don't hum.
Can I?
Yeah, you can sing.
आसमां आ गए हम कहाँ, ये नई दास्तां।
Uma Shankar,
साजना
10 मार्क देते हैं आपको. Uma Shankar 10 marks to Ravindra. Who's talking? I can hear somebody talking. Please don't talk. Suguna, please mute yourself.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, now over to Ramesh Jagannathan sir. This is the last round of today's game. If we don't have a tie, if we have a tie, we'll have a tiebreaker. So now it is Mr. Ramesh's turn. Who's talking? I can hear somebody talk. Galaxy M30, please mute yourself.
मेरे हम सफर
Sorry. Wrong answer. The correct answer.
मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना.
Thank you so much. Let us have a look at the score and decide whether we play the tiebreaker. Over to Uma Shankar. Thank you for the audience for doing a wonderful job of singing all the songs. Uma Shankar ji, स्कोर शीट का इंतजार है, बड़ी बेसब्री से देख रहे हैं सब लोग. प्लीज शेयर. उमा यार कहाँ चला गया तू? हाँ आ गया. मेरा भाई है ना तो आई कैन टेक द लिबर्टी. Oh, Deepali is rank number 1. Rank number 2 is Adil. Rank number 3 is shared by Raghavendra Rao and Ramesh Jagannath. I think we have a fair enough result. We don't need to break any tie. Don't you agree, my friends? We have a good enough result here. Can you take a photograph of this, all of you, and keep it with you so that you have a result with you and you remember this for the years? With that, I think, Uma Shankar, you can stop sharing. Let me thank each one of them profusely for whoever has joined. I see there are 29 people. Sir, it has been awesome to have all of you with me here today. I see Mr. Shankarappa is here, who is my very mentor, biggest mentor in all of BHL. Thank you, sir, for joining. You can all unmute yourself one by one and tell me what you feel. We are at the end of the show. Thank you for being here. I think we can stop the thing at least by 8:30. Over to any of the people who want to share their feedback. Thank you so much for being with us. Really, I appreciate your enthusiasm.
Each one of us, we are winners.
Each one of you is a winner. And I love the fact that so many of you joined during the first event. We had 30 people. Nagratna is again joining. Thank you, Mr. Nagraj.
for arranging, ma'am. I mean, it wouldn't have happened without you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajlakshmi. And very professionally arranged. And your software and your clock, everything professional. Very nice. Enjoyed.
Yeah, may I also say something?
Yes, sir. Nagraj, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, could I say something, please?
Yeah, Mr. Natsimurthy wants
to close this.
Yeah.
I
I
want to close this session.
Thank Deepali
you
for the great
singing a song.
opportunity. Given this for the first time I'm attending this. It was really wonderful, We really had a very nice time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, Mr. Nagraj, you want to say something? Mr. Nagraj, over to you. Nagraj sir, ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? Uma Shankar, you can put your screen on so that my
Let me tell you, you have time and again proved it, because you have been entertaining us all through this thing, COVID to the Match Point Academy group, and hats off to you.
Thank you.
Raj Lakshmi.
Thank you. Uma, you can stop the screen sharing. I want people to see you. You are my brother, and I'm so proud that you kept the score with us and there were no disputes. I'm happy for having all of you. Let's have many more sessions in the future. Uma Shankar Bhaiya, that is Uma Shankar. Say hi, Uma. Unmute yourself and say hi.
Hi.
You can show up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you both.
Thank you all. Really enjoyed.
Rajlakshmi madam, I just want to say one last word.
Yes, sir. Really, sir.
One last word. Rajlakshmi madam, your presentation is fantastic. Your totally action, very thriller like, it's totally action filled. It was wonderful. The presentation was just fantastic.
Thank you. The participants want to say something. Heli, sir.
ರಾಜಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ
Heli, sir.
ಮಹೇಶ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಸತ್ಯ 100% ಟ್ರೂ.
Thank you, sir.
You are a good singer, you are a good leader, and a good sports person.
Yeah, I will listen to all of them in order. Ramesh Jagannathan, do you have to say to something?
Oh, very well, beautifully organized. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
More frequent. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll do it in Kannada with some support from Mr. Simha if he gives me the support. Or Vinay can join me as anchor so that we can continue it. Ravindra ji, where are you? Hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure sometimes it happens we get the tougher words, but then it is luck. Everything is dependent. Yeah, Ravindra.
Me?
Yeah?
Yes.
No, I mean, first of all, we've been discussing, right? So I'm really glad you took this up, and it was a great experience. I thought it'll be a regular Antakshari, which will continue with the same, at the ending that.
I have wonderful 7 more rounds which I have not brought in. So when we play next time, I'll bring those rounds inside. Yeah, Rajendra Rao, sir.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I have met so many
expecting
people.
that very soon, Raji.
Sure, I'll do that, Mamta.
Seen them.
Okay.
And very good concept. I mean, really, it is working very fine. I mean, another couple of rounds and definitely it will be a thriller.
Thank you.
Ma'am, one thing, I was a bit disappointed with one thing.
What?
Only one lady joined.
Exactly. See, I should take Bhavana and Mamta to task because they are such good singers. They were singing all the songs, but they don't want to join in the competition. That is something which I want to see.
Next time, Raji, for sure.
Sure.
Next time, for sure. It was fun watching all the people taking part so enthusiastically, and it was really good.
Okay. Mr. Subramaniam, Vinay Subbu sir, I introduced you in the last minute. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಖಂಡಿತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಾಡೋಣ, ತನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ದಿರ ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ ಭಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I will like to say, Ravi, the one lady joined and she bagged the prize. Other all would have joined, you wouldn't have got any chance.
Well done. Well done.
Professor Ramesh, how would you feel to tell us something? Deepali, you can always share with me personally also. You're so close.
Yes, madam, it was
wonderful. I enjoyed it, thoroughly enjoyed. And keep on doing this.
Sure, I will.
Next week you do next rounds, I am ready.
Yeah. So, Professor Ramesh avare?
Madam, tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Very nice. I enjoyed it. And as I said, everyone is a winner now. We enjoyed this hour. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Yeah, Ganapati Pai, I'm sorry you were not able to win and you got tough rounds.
No, madam, thank you. I think participation was important and that's what I wanted to do.
Thank you.
But I must really admit, the kind of, the whole show, to conduct that in an online environment and to keep everybody interested for such a long time, it's really unbelievable.
This is my first attempt. I wanted to try it with people who are sportive and who will not come into grievance afterwards. So I enjoyed being with all sportive people like you. I know there were a few snags, but I will cover that up in the years to come. Thank you so much. Adil sir, can we hear from you?
ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಬಹಳ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್.
Thank you so much. Dr. Sainath has been with us since 6:35. So I would love to hear him speak if he wants to add. Being such a senior player, he stayed with us from 6:35. You won't believe it. He logged in at 6:35. Dr. Sainath, sir, would you like to speak?
Thank you all the audience. Thank you.
Yeah. I think he is not able to get into the phone. Yeah, I think we will call it a day now. We will share the score sheet with you as a JPEG soon, tomorrow. Just enjoy, and I hope you enjoyed participating in the event.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hope to see you soon. At least once a month. Okay.
Thank you.
It was wonderful.
Take care.
Thanks everyone.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you everyone. Thanks
Good
everyone.
night.
Thank you. Bye bye.
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 Thanks, Uma. बढ़िया यार.
मैं भेजता हूँ इसको स्कोर कार्ड.
हाँ, स्कोर JPEG बना के WhatsApp में भेज दे, मैं इनको शेयर कर दूंगी.
हाँ, नहीं मैं मेल कर देता हूँ ना इसको स्ट्रेट अवे फ्रॉम माय लैपटॉप.
एक्सेल ही कर देगा क्या? हाँ, ठीक है.
हाँ, इसलिए कर देता
मैं उसको बाद में PDF या JPEG बना लूंगी.
Right? Okay.
Madam, it was very nice.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
I never
Thank
expected this Antakshari can be done like this. So,
Thank you.
It's a very, very good concept.
After the lockdown opens, you call me to wherever you want. I'll bring my buzzer system also. I have fastest finger first buzzers, which you can hit like Amitabh Bachchan show, and whoever hits first will get it. Audio video rounds will be on buzzers.
And you are also a good singer. I mean,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
so I have my team, I have my band. Let us
Okay.
see how
Let's
we
see.
can.
No,
We'll keep our fingers crossed.
the special compliments to Lakshmi madam for organizing and carrying everyone together. That's
Yeah,
that's a very very
that's-
important leadership
That
quality.
leadership is the.
Like she carried away. I mean, she carried everyone quite nicely. It was wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Handling all old people is very difficult.
Deepali for making me a part of this great event. Deepali,
we are
thanks a lot. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
We are old. I'm not old.
No, I'm not old.
Old means aged people.
I'm not aged. No, no.
Age is
Seniors.
just a number.
No, it's very difficult to handle seniors rather than.
I am only 26 years old at heart, sir. On the calendar, I may be 62. I don't care.
Ravi, you may be senior. I'm very much junior.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಬಾಯ್.
Bye bye.
Outlet.